Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to transfer money from OnePay to Cash App. First, make sure your OnePay credit card is active and ready to use. Next, open the Cash App on your phone. Once you are on the Cash App home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top corner to open the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for the option that says Linked Banks or Add a Bank or Card. This is where you will connect your OnePay account to Cash App. Tap on Add Bank Account or Add Debit Card. Enter the details of your OnePay debit card. This usually includes the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the information, Cash App will verify the card or bank account. This may take a few seconds. Once it is verified, your OnePay account will appear as a linked payment method. Now go back to the Cash App home screen and tap on the Money tab. This is where you can add money to your Cash App balance. Enter the amount you want to transfer from OnePay. When asked to choose a payment method, select your linked OnePay debit card or bank account. Confirm the transfer. Depending on the transfer type, the money may appear instantly or within 1 to 3 business days. Thanks for watching.